In this video, I want to show you how to hide and lock apps on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and also the Air. So you will not be able to lock and hide all the apps. The system apps like settings over here, you cannot do this. There is no such a thing. But for almost all of them, and especially the apps you downloaded, what I will show you next will work. So let's say over here, iMovie, I want to lock this app. So I'll simply keep press on it and I'll have the option require Face ID. Tap on it. And now there's two options. First of all is simply require Face ID. This will simply lock the app, but the app will still stay on the home screen of your iPhone. And if you select hide and require Face ID, the app, let me do it, will disappear from your home screen after you press hide. You see, it disappeared. It's like there's no such an app on your iPhone. And now you probably wonder, where will you find it every time you want to use it? Well, you have to swipe all the way towards the right side, go all the way down, and now you're going to see hidden. You will not see any apps in hidden because they're hidden, obviously. So you're going to tap over here. It will require Face ID. And once it knows that it's you, it will display all the hidden apps over here. And you'll be able to launch them simply by typing on them. If you want to unhide an app or remove whatever you just put, simply keep press on it in the hidden folder. And then over here, don't require Face ID. It will disappear, but it will still not be on your home screen. You'll have to manually find it in this app library. So over here, iMovie, keep it pressed and move it again where you desire on your home screen. So this is it. I hope this was useful and clear. Leave a comment if it was, subscribe, check my Amazon links if you need a case for your iPhone 17 or any other accessories, and I'll see you in the next video.